Happy Friday, everybody. Today is Fact Friday, and today's topic is 88% of Americans have metabolic dysfunction. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, where facts become fuel for action. Almost no one is metabolically healthy anymore. In fact, only about 12% of Americans meet the criteria for full metabolic health, meaning optimal blood sugar, waist size, blood pressure, and triglycerides. That means 88% of us are off track and may not even know it. Today's nugget: almost no one is metabolically healthy anymore. Are you part of the 12%? I had a client in her early 50s who thought she was doing okay because she wasn't on any medication, but she had stubborn belly fat, low energy, rising fasting insulin. We focused on balancing blood sugar with protein and fat. Everything shifted. She lost inches, especially around her midsection, gained energy, and her labs normalized. So here's today's strategy. Take stock. Are you tired after meals? Are you holding fat in your midsection? Struggling with blood pressure or triglycerides? These are signs your metabolism needs attention. So here's my plea. Let's stop normalizing what's common but not healthy. If you want to learn more, watch my full video on 11 signs of prediabetes and find out if you have metabolic syndrome. I'll post these videos at the end. I'll see you tomorrow.